how to save your QR code on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now click these 3 points and then click share profile and click QR, and here is it. Now just click save, and as you see QR code is saved. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.